What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy, and today we have the Sony SRS-XG500. Everyone's been talking about this speaker. They've been hyped about it, like leading up to it. Iconic seen it, and she was like, we gotta get this speaker on the channel for an unboxing. So what did we do? We got the speaker on the channel for unboxing. So right now this speaker is going for 450 bucks. So you're gonna be paying a little penny for this thing. It is IP66 waterproof and dust proof. You want to rock this thing at the beach, you're gonna be good to go. You don't have to worry about nothing. Also, the battery life on this speaker, you get 30 hours. So you get a whole day worth of playing music and bumping loud wherever you want. Now let's pull out, let's see what we got in this box. So right now we have a power brick. There we go. As you see, we got our little power brick right there. Looks like we're about to play, you know, like a Nintendo system. And then here goes the other part of it, I believe. Let's pull this bad boy open. Now I hope the battery is going to be full. I hope we don't have to charge this, cut and go to charging. I hope we're going to be full. And yeah, that's the other part of the power brick that you're going to get right there. Okay, now we have, you know, your paperwork. You got to have your paperwork. And then let's pull this bad boy out. All right, so this is the first look at the speaker. Now I'm gonna tell you, this bad boy is pretty big. Jesus, look at this thing. All right, here we go. This thing look good, baby. Hey, pull that bad boy out. Look at that. Look at that. I got two-hand this joint. So there you go. That's the speaker. Check that bad boy out. Man, this thing is, oh, look at the, jeez. The design on this, they killed it. I like it. Oh my goodness, man. You got nice little rubber feet down there. Got to have the kicks on. This feels really soft, really nice. So I'm gonna give you guys a little close up. Check it out. Revel in its greatness and its nice built. This thing is heavy. My arms are shaking. Let me show you guys the back ports. I believe it has two, yes, it has two USBs. You can charge up 2 phones if you wanna. 2 phones. Oh, they got a battery care mode. They have a party connect, so I'm guessing for multiple speakers. There's your charge, 2 USBs. You got a guitar area right here if you wanna just get your little guitar going on. And then you have a mic as well. You can do your mic volume back here. It didn't come with a mic, did it? Nope. So you're gonna have to use your own mic. And you have audio in right here as well. So, looks good. It has a light. All right, let's turn this on. Let's see what this light does. Oh, it's on the sides. Oh, is there anything happening? There it goes. Look at that little light. Ooh! This thing is nice, man. Please sound good. Please sound good. All right, so it's ready to connect. I'm pretty sure it's gonna tell me do the Sony app and all that and do an update. So it's looking for a Bluetooth. I got my Bluetooth right here. Let's see here. Oh, it's right there, boom, connected. We should get a sound.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay. Sony app, blah, 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 use app. It's not installed. I knew it. They always want me to go to the Sony app. I have it already though. Okay, so I noticed on the Sony app, the EQ, it doesn't give me the custom EQ settings. Enable only if sound effect is custom. So, oh, there we go. Okay, sound effect custom. Okay, so I can EQ. It's a very simple EQ on their app. It's just up in 3, the highs, mids, and the lows. It's simple. All right, so here we go. My boy Cookie, bit below.
Baby, are you free? Show me what you sent me on your DMs on IG. Ay napagpa-innocente cause I know that you're a freak. Grabe ka lami, you're my flavor of the week. And you know I love to eat. Biplo, nindot ni sagol sa akong tortang talong. Mao ni atong pani hapon, grabe ni ka strong. Huy, ay nagut ka strong. Baby, napakos lahog, but I won't take too long. Klaro na kayo mo. It's Cookie!
J's bout to flex.
I say, sana lang ta. Klaro kay ka CCTV di man halata. Nagpapapilra ka, uy, ay tuga-tuga. Pahawa na diha, wa mamoy kabuga. Dukot na linong at hugaw mo tanaw. Wa ninyo na tungkad, grabe ra kalaw. Wa mo'y mga hinungdan, kapait. Wa mo'y agiway gamit. Ay napag-apil-apil, kuha pa mo'y 90,000.
All right, but so there you go. That was the outside test. I think it does sound way better outside than it does inside, where it's trapped and caged. It wants to be free. So that was the outside test. The speaker has a good amount of power, and when it's fully charged, it probably pumps out a little bit more. So we definitely want to pit this up against the Mega Boom, because the Mega Boom is a $400 speaker. This is $450, so that puts it in that range, perfect for a battle. They're kind of close to the same size, because I think the Mega Boom sideways is almost, it's about like right here probably. So it's gonna be a good little battle. Sony has been killing it when it comes to the audio products with the headphones and the earbuds and all that, and some of their smaller portable speakers like the XB33 that a lot of people like. This one is another good product from them. It does sound clear. You got that Sony clarity. A little bit of nice bass in this thing that shakes and rumbles. Plus, if you EQ it, you can boost some of the weaknesses in it. If you think it's a weakness, you can boost it, so you don't have to worry about that. The app will have you covered for the EQ. So it has a nice clean sound. I really like what I hear out of this speaker. I give it 2 thumbs up, and the style of this thing is crazy. You can even have like custom light shows on here in the app as well. So all in all, 2 thumbs up. I like it. I like it a lot. It looks so nice. All right, but so there you have it. That was my unboxing of the Sony XG500. This is going for 450 bucks. I'll put that link down in the description below so you guys can click that, see the current price, and hopefully there's some deals on it, and see other people's reviews on Amazon. But if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. And at the end of this video, I have some more portable speakers that I reviewed on this channel or unboxed. You guys can click those and watch those videos. But also, we have another budget speaker that's a pretty big size too, which is the WKing, I think it's T9. They sent that over here, and we're gonna unbox that bad boy next. So keep a lookout for that video when that one drops. So everyone be safe out there. This was Wanna Buy It. My name is Rodney. Peace.